Here's a certified 2017 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. Muscular yet graceful, thrilling yet serene, this C-Class is the precise balance of all things Mercedes-Benz. It comes with the features you need and, better yet, want. Automatic transmission, AMG Ride Control Automatic with driver control suspension management, AMG Dynamic Select System, AMG aluminum wheels, Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, Embrace external memory control, power tilting steering column, keyless go, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Edmunds.com notes its meticulous construction and engineering, refined ride and handling. High style, high performance, Mercedes-Benz. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,